Hi folks, so today we're going to unbox C30. C30 is a Bangalore brand, which is an Indian brand. It is manufactured here in India, and this is an intercom. So this can connect up to 20 riders at once. So this is one of the best features in this intercom. So when you compare it with different other intercoms like Sena or other brands, I'm sure this is one of the best. In the coming days, it can become expensive. Also, it can also become one of the popular brands in India. So we're going to unbox this right now. So you get a warranty card just like a debit card. Have a look at this. So this is how it is. Yeah, it's 10,999 is the price. I've used JBL. JBL is definitely expensive, but it gives the best quality, and that's the reason it's expensive. In future, what would happen is the helmet company itself would come up with all of this, which will be inbuilt, but this is an external device, so that's how it is. So this is sufficient for 2023 is what I feel. You have some installation guide as well, so this is the QR code. In case if you don't know how to install it, you can just scan on your phone and you can get the guide. You have a few more things. When it comes to Blue Armor, you get everything. Like you get the USB cable, you get the 3M tapes, you get clamps, different clamps for different this one as in helmets, and you also get the Allen key. Look at this. So we're going to fix the Blue Armor to the helmet. So this is a brand new helmet which is modular type. So we have some extra space inside the helmet where you can remove the sponge this way, and you can fix the sponge which has been given by Blue Armor. So this is the 3M sponge, which is like a Velcro sponge, where you can fix that. So it's like a gum type, where you can fix it tightly, firmly, both the ends. Yeah, this is another one. Look at this. So they're given two sets, right? So yeah, I think they have given an additional piece where you can use it later as well. So right now you have to remove one of them. Yeah, and then just fix it over, right and left. Yeah. So you have connections like this, and you have this mic getting connected inside. Look at this. So you can connect it at the edge of it so that it falls right under your lip so that it gets connected. Here, C type is it?
Oh, this is B type.
B type, okay.
This will zip like this.
Okay, perfect. So we have a perfect fit on the helmet. Oh, lovely. Finally it's up.
So this is the antenna.
Okay. Oh, that's the antenna, okay. So antenna is also looking good, dude. Oh, lovely, it looks nice.
This is Pro.
Okay.
This is your mic.
Okay. So a normal helmet turned out to be a smart helmet this way. So you'll have to switch on this way, okay? You have the blue light which is coming up.
So when you switch on the thing, it tells you welcome, and it even tells the battery percentage.
Okay.
And when you switch off also, keep the mic here,
okay,
near the speaker.
Okay.
You can listen to it. Just listen carefully when I switch it off.
Oh, I can hear that.
30%.
Yeah. Oh, how long does it come up to, the battery? If you're using the entire day on full charge?
Usually come to
12 hours,
like
12 hours.
12 hours, 10
Keep
hours.
it 12 hours.
It charges also quickly, so you can manage.
Within how many minutes does it charge fully?
I think 45 minutes to 1 hour it charges completely.
Fully, okay.
Yeah.
So we have finally fixed it, and I'll let you know how to use the application on my phone. So before that, if you have to switch it on, you have a center button. It's like a shutter button where you can actually press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds and get switched on. So the blue color means it's getting switched on, it's on standby mode. And you have red and green. Green means which is connecting to the application, and red which denotes that it's low on battery. So the application looks this way, which is called the C30. You have to just type C30 on your Play Store. You would get this application this way, where it denotes the battery levels, and you also have, let me also show you what are the features that you have. Switched on and switched off, yeah. And then you can make a speed dial phone call, then you can use it as a intercom. Then you have a voice note where you can make notes for yourself. You have music, you have Google Assistant as well, which is getting attached with this.
So apart from this, there is another option called rider link. So if, for example, if the other person who has intercom is not of the same brand, for example, if he has a Senna or he has like Chinese brands, he can use the rider link, and this will even connect to all those different branded modules.
It's so smart actually.